With more, Dan.
All eyes are on Broward County tonight on the canvassing board, which is meeting right now behind me, behind these closed doors. This is where they're still counting and analyzing votes. I've been here since election night and caught up with the supervisor of elections, who had an unexpected response about the delay in polling results. Election workers in Broward County are still counting votes tonight, almost 48 hours after the polls closed. Senator Marco Rubio tweeting, the Broward election supervisor's ongoing violation of Florida law requiring timely reporting isn't just annoying incompetence. It has opened the door for lawyers to come here and to try to steal a seat in the U.S. Senate and Florida cabinet. Tonight, the supervisor of elections, Dr. Brenda Snipes, is responding.
What's your name?
Dan with NBC. I was here on election night.
You were the one who turned me into a witch.
Did you say I turned you into a witch?
Oh, worse.
How did I turn you into a
You
witch?
did your presentation. You did your report. I didn't really see all of it because.
No, I tweeted about what was going on, but I didn't mean to turn you into a witch.
Okay, well, I was successful.
What is your reaction to Rubio's tweets today about saying it's incompetence?
Oh, you know, every politician's got to name a person something. So
what's going on here? Why is it taking so long?
I thought I answered because, you know, we have a 5 or 6 page. That's all right.
You have a 5 or 6 page what?
Ballot. I need to get ready for the canvassing. Sorry.
With 3 tight races, including the race for governor, Senate, and head of the Department of Agriculture, every vote counts. And as votes trickle in, it's closing the gap. For example, even though Governor Scott gave a victory speech, an attorney for Senator Bill Nelson says the results are still unknown.
We believe that at the end of this process, Senator Nelson is going to be declared the winner and is going to return to the United States Senate. Dr.
Snipes was referring to a tweet I sent out on election night. I was the first one to report on polling problems that were happening here in Broward County. Some polling locations were not able to electronically submit the results. This actually is the tweet right here. It was retweeted more than 3,000 times, including by Andrew Gillum, a candidate for governor, bringing a lot of attention to the Broward County Supervisor of Elections. Live in Lauderhill tonight, Dan Krauth, NBC 6 News.
And Dan, the unofficial results are due from each county's election department by noon Saturday. Now, it's at that point that the